Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. In this lecture, we will learn to draw hyperbola using asymptote method. So in the previous lecture, we have studied to draw hyperbola using dielectric focus and rectangular method. In this method, we have to draw hyperbola using asymptote method. So the question is given, we have to draw a rectangular hyperbola if the point on it is 70 millimeter and 85 millimeter from the asymptotes. So we have been given two dimensions, 70 millimeter and 85 millimeter, and through that we have to draw hyperbola using asymptote method. So first step, we will draw a straight horizontal line and mark it as OX. Now from the point O, we will draw a straight perpendicular line and mark it as Y. So these are the two lines which are called as asymptotes. Now we will mark this 70 millimeter and 85 millimeter from these lines or from these asymptotes. Now from this OX line we will mark a point 70 millimeter, and from the OY line we will draw and mark a point 85 millimeter. Now here we have mark a point 70 millimeter above, and through that point we will draw a straight parallel line to OX and mark it as EF. Now same from this OY line we will mark a point 85 millimeter, and through that 85 millimeter point we will draw a straight line parallel to OY. So we have drawn two lines from the asymptotes OX and OY and marking this line as G and the center point as P. Now we will take random points. Don't need to take proper distance. We will take random points and mark them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the perpendicular line we will mark as 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can take as many points as you want. The more points you take, the more points you get to plot for the hyperbola. So here I have considered 10 points. You can consider total of 11 points, 15 points or less than that. Now next step, we will join all these points to the center O. As you can see, I am drawing lines and joining them at center O. After joining all these lines, we will mark these points as where the intersection on the line. We will mark them as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, and on the other line 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash and 10 dash, where these lines intersect. Now next step, from these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we will draw straight vertical lines as shown in the video, parallel to the line OY, straight vertical, and from the lines 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash, we will draw straight horizontal lines intersecting till the first vertical line. From 2 dash, horizontal line extending till 2 line, 3 dash to 3, 4 dash to 4, mark the point, 5 dash to 5, mark the point, and 6 dash to 6. After getting these points, we will mark them as P1 where the 1 1 dash intersects, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. Now same procedure we will do to the 7 to 10 points. From 7 we will draw straight horizontal line. From 8 straight horizontal line, 9 straight horizontal line and 10 straight horizontal line. Now from 7 dash we will draw lines parallel to GF. From 8 dash we will extend till 8 and join the point. 9 dash to 9, 10 dash to 10, and marking these points as P7, P8, P9 and P10. Now after marking all these points, we have to join them using French curve. So the hyperbola will be formed after joining all these points, and it will pass through point P, that is the center point. As you know the procedure for using the French curve, we have to align 3 or more than 3 points. The more points you align, the more smooth the curve will form. So this curve which is formed is called as an hyperbola. Just marking of the dimensions and we are done. Thank you for listening. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture.